Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves exponents. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. Calculate 81 divided by 16 to the power of minus 3/4. First, we can get rid of the negative exponent by inverting the fraction to get 16 divided by 81 to the power of 3/4. Now we can rewrite the base as powers of 4 to get 16 is 2 to the power of 4, 81 is 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3/4. Now we can simplify powers of 4, and finally we get 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 3 to the power of 3 is 27. That's it. The answer is E. Great. Such problem can be solved easily in less than 1 minute so that you can save time for more difficult problems on the test. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.